Don't look at me, work.
Alright.
Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby.
Alright, I'm done.
There you go, there. Keep it on high. Welcome back to Keep It On High. So today I'm at the Cascade driving range in Atlanta, Georgia, shooting a promotional video. Growing up in Atlanta, I've passed this driving range 1,000 times, so I'm so happy to be able to shoot a video for it. Let's check it out.